Hello, good morning. Myself Dr. Veena Kalyan, Faculty of Physiotherapy Department in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and share the content. So, in this presentation, we'll discuss about the axillary artery anatomy. So, first is the introduction. So, axillary artery is the continuation of the subclavian artery. It extends from the outer border of first rib up to lower border of teres major muscles. Then it continues as brachial artery. So axillary artery is closely related to brachial plexus course, and axillary artery is divided into three parts at the level of pectoralis minor muscle. So this figure represents the axillary artery is the branch of the subclavian artery, and at the level of pectoralis minor, axillary artery is changed into the brachial artery. So branches of the brachial axillary artery. So branches are according to the part of the axillary artery. So axillary have three parts: first, second, and third. So at first part has one branch, that is superior thoracic artery. Second part has two branches, that is acromiothoracic artery and lateral thoracic artery. Third part has three branches, that is subscapular artery, anterior circumflex humeral artery, posterior circumflex humeral artery. So this figure represents the various branches of the axillary artery. This is also show the anterior view of the branches of the axillary artery. So first branch is superior thoracic artery. It is the smallest branch and it is present between pectoralis major and minor muscle, and it supplies pectoralis major and minor muscles and the thoracic wall. Second is acromiothoracic artery. It given at upper border of pectoralis minor, have four terminal branches, that is pectoral, deltoid, acromial, and clavicular. So pectoral supplies pectoral muscles as well as the breast. Acromial joins the anastomosis over acromion processes. Clavicular supplies sternoclavicular joint and subclavius. Next is lateral thoracic artery. It given at lower border of pectoralis minor, and anterior axillary nerve lies along it, and it larger in female as it supplies into the breast tissue. Next is subscapular artery. It is the largest branch of the axillary artery, and it runs lower border of subscapularis and terminates near inferior angle of scapula, and it gives the circumflex scapular artery. Next is anterior circumflex humeral artery. It given at the lower border of subscapularis. It winds around surgical neck of humerus, and it anastomosis with post circumflex humeral artery, and it the ascending branch. Next is posterior circumflex humeral artery. It is a larger branch of the third part of the axillary artery. It runs backward through quadrangle space along with axillary nerve, where it supplies the shoulder joint and the deltoid muscle. Next is the relation of the first part. Thank you.